What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel Bunny Birdy Gator, and here with a shop with me here at a really new store in my area, Five Below. I am so happy that we have a Five Below in my area now. It's officially Birdy and my new favorite store. You guys, I love this store so much. There's so much to look at. And I know I haven't even scratched the surface. So you guys, I would have really loved to talk to you during this video. However, I have to say, this store blasts music like no other store I've ever been in my life. The vibe is really fun and bright and happy. And that can cause a few problems, a few copyright problems. So you guys, I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to lay down my own music, and I'll just say hi to you now, and I'll say goodbye to you at the end of the video. But if you love this video, be sure to tune in to part 2 tomorrow, because this is a super long walkthrough. You guys don't want to miss it. This is such an awesome store. So all right, you guys, let's go ahead and get to it. Let's do this. Five Below, shop with me. Well, hey you guys, I hope you're really enjoying this Five Below walkthrough. It ended up being really long because there's just so much to look at in this cute store. This is my new favorite store. I have a lot more to share, so be sure to tune in to tomorrow's video. I'll show yet another walkthrough, or we could call it part 2 of Five Below. There are so many more cute things to look at, so I hope to see you guys tomorrow. If you've been enjoying my videos and enjoyed this one, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.